channel. I'm Herman Baso, and today I'm going to give you a tutorial of my new choreo, line dance choreo. It's called Catch Me. It's a beautiful song by Fady, with the title of the song is also the same, Catch Me. Okay, this is a high beginner level line dance. There are 32 count, 4 walls, no tag, no restart. Choreographed by me, Herman Baso, September, Indonesia, September 2021. Okay, since I said that, there are 32 count, which means there are 4 sections. Okay, let's start with the section 1. Okay, this side step, slide in, close, block shuffle forward, rock, recover, and then side shuffle. Okay, with the count 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Section 2. Cross, recover, and then quarter turn to right, lock shuffle forward, half pivot, and then quarter turn to right, side shuffle. Okay, with the count 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Let's repeat section 1, section 2. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Section 3. Step back, rock, back, recover. Kick, ball, change, unwind, and then cross, side, cross. Okay, with a count 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Okay, let's repeat section 1, section 2, and section 3. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Section 4. Side, recover, coaster step, half foot, walk, walk. Okay? With the count 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, let's repeat the whole part, section 1 until section 4. With the count 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, that's all the tutorial. I hope you can follow the step. Okay, don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment, and also don't forget to do the demo. Thank you for watching and have a nice day. Bye.